Let's now talk about the preparations that are in place for the incoming Modi Sarkar 3.0. Sources suggest that the oath-taking ceremony now is expected on the 9th of June. While the BJP has fallen short of the majority mark, with its allies now comfortably sitting beyond the halfway mark, in at least when it comes to smaller parties and independents, they have also joined the NDA, taking the total tally now to 303. Hectic parleys and meetings that are underway in Delhi. Meanwhile, top BJP leaders are meeting at JP Nadda's residence to decide on the next course of action when it comes to TDP leaders who are also set to be in the national capital. Sources say NDA will put up a big show of strength tomorrow. All of the NDA chief ministers, deputy chief ministers, MPs are going to be in Delhi for a show of unity. But with the allies now playing an important role this time, let's tell you how it is going to play out. Remember, the allies like the TDP, the JDU, the Shiv Sena, the LJP all together have 40 MPs. Let's listen into the reactions coming in.
पूरे चुनाव में नीतीश कुमार जी इस स्लोगन के साथ चुनाव लड़े कि अब हम एनडीए के ही हिस्सा बनकर रहेंगे, लिहाजा इसको हम सिरे से खारिज करते हैं। जनता दल यू एनडीए का हिस्सा है और रहेगा। बिहार में जो गरीबी है, पलायन है, विभाजन के बाद का, उसके लिए जरूरी है कि बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिया जाए। मंत्री परिषद में हिस्सेदारी को लेकर के हमने ना कोई मांग पहले उठाई है, ना अब उठाते हैं। हाँ, अटल अडवाणी एरा में जरूर हम बहुत कंफर्टेबल थे। नीतीश कुमार जी प्रधानमंत्री से वार्ता करके एक सुविधाजनक स्थिति जेडीयू के लिए तलाश करेंगे, लेकिन ना कोई कन्फ्रंटेशन है, ना कोई जिद है, ना कोई मांग है।
सर, कल मीटिंग है सांसदों की और पूर्व मुख्यमंत्रियों की, क्रूशियल मीटिंग है कल परसों शपथ लेने से पहले, कैसे देख रहे हैं आप इस मीटिंग?
नहीं, ये तो औपचारिक बैठ के होती ही हैं और इसलिए उसको देखने की क्या ज़रूरत है। जो बैठक में भाग लेंगे वो लोग विचार विमर्श करेंगे और उसमें एनडीए के नेता का सर्वानुमति से नाम तय हो जाएगा।
Now, that has been the development that seems to be happening with the NDA now crossing 303. The opposition, however, within the India bloc continue to say that the turmoil will continue to happen, the differences will continue to happen within the BJP and its allies.
This is an unhappy alliance. Chandra Babu ji I have known for ages. He was a good friend of my father-in-law. They were both finance ministers for a number of years. And even at that time, I would see him as a brilliant man. He can see ahead. He plans ahead. He's a strategist. I don't believe that with Chandra Babu and Nitish ji, Modi ji will have easy task. He will have to take their not only views but suggestions into account, because this government now will not be as free as it used to be when Modi ji and Amit Shah were ruling the roost.